Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Unfair Advantage, which launches on the 18th of October at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review I'm going to be going through this great new release from Tom E and Vic Carty, and what it essentially is, it's exploiting a loophole within Amazon that means that you can chase sales in a completely different way to normal. So it's like almost like it's counterintuitive, this method, because whereas normally you would be sending traffic to an affiliate link with the express purpose of hoping that someone actually buys a product from that, with this Unfair Advantage method, all that you're looking to do is to get the person cookied in. So you're getting traffic sent to a link, but the primary objective is not to get them to buy. It's purely to get them to actually click on the link so that they get cookied in, and then because of the hack that's involved with Unfair Advantage, it means that for the following 24 hours any shopping that person then does on Amazon, and let's be honest, everyone's shopping on Amazon at the moment. I am at least 2 or 3 times a week, and I would say I'm a light Amazon shopper. I would say a lot of people I know are shopping on it every day now, including my wife most of the time, and you know, they're spending loads. So if you can get cookied into anybody at the moment that's shopping on Amazon, that's going to be pretty lucrative for you. And with this white hat method, it has to be said, nothing black hat about this. With Unfair Advantage, this is as close as you can get online to guaranteed income. Providing you do this method properly, it's almost impossible not to succeed, as Tom will speak to you about when you actually go through this. Yeah, anyone that's actually set this up correctly and has got like approved for an Amazon associate account, there isn't anyone that isn't making money. Now, it's not going to be huge amounts of money. It will be up to $50 a day, but the one thing is it's guaranteed passive income. So once you set these up, it just runs and runs. So this is very good, especially for anyone that's either struggling at the moment or that's looking to add an additional income stream, because there aren't that many of these methods out there that are pretty much, you know, watertight in terms of being guaranteed to provide an income. The only thing I can think of that really comes close, and that's a lot more time consuming, is like doing online surveys, where again you're pretty much guaranteed to make money as long as you answer the surveys. But the downside of that is that they're looking for particular quotas of particular ages and stuff like that, so sometimes it can actually take you ages to find a survey that you can do right till the end. So it's really time consuming, but that's probably the only other method I can think of online where you're guaranteed to make money. Well, this is pretty much it's better than that. You know, this is the only other one that I've seen where you're pretty much guaranteed to make money if you do this. It's impossible not to. So that is in a nutshell what Unfair Advantage is about. So if it sounds like it's of interest, listen on to this review. I'll also go through the custom bonuses that you can pick up if you click on the link underneath. There are 9 of them. Get them by clicking on any of these green buttons before the countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. Don't want that to happen because they're custom bonuses, means they're exclusive to me. But having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Unfair Advantage. You can always come back to this page afterwards. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. So we've found a loophole inside a $280 billion company. It's true, it's a genuine loophole. It pays us $50 a day passively. Here's how you can duplicate our results within 20 minutes. No one else is doing this. I certainly haven't seen this method taught before. Set and forget system, no hard work, all traffic's included. The quickest results you've ever got. No one else is doing this. 100% unique method. All traffic is 100% free, guaranteed. Super friendly for beginners. Setup done in 20 minutes. Then it's on autopilot. Works in any and all niches. Again, because it's Amazon, that's true. Anything that's sold on Amazon. Scalable to 20k a month income potential. that's the one that I'd have a little bit of a doubt about. I don't think it's actually scalable that high, to be honest. In fact, it's definitely not scalable that high. I would say even if you're working flat out on this method, there's probably an upper ceiling of about somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000 a month, and to do that you'd be pretty much working on this method alone full time. So no, it's definitely not scalable to 20k a month, but it is a very, very reliable method for earning, say, 50 to 100 a day, and that is completely realistic. All right, so we'll also have a look inside the members area at Unfair Advantage. There it is. We'll have a look at the funnel. So it's $17 is the front end. I think there is actually a drop down when you go to leave the sales page. I think there'll be like a drop down coupon where you can get a discount. I think it might be $3. I've already done it once, and so what you need to do is to move your cursor as if you're going to leave the page, and then you'll get that drop down for the discount. So first let's deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in here. Again, we've already gone through what Unfair Advantage is all about. This is a walkthrough overview of the method, so you can see this 5 minutes. Obviously I recommend that you watch this. Tom explains it in more details. This is actually the overview from the members area, so it's exactly what you'll see. It's the very first video once you've actually picked up a copy, and this is what I'm going to throw in. So obviously this is a unique method, but I'm going to show you 4 more conventional methods that you can use to make money on Amazon, which will complement the method that Tom is teaching. They're completely different to the method that Tom's teaching. But this will show you how to do them. Next, I'm going to give you what I normally sell as one of my upsells on my own products, which is I'm going to give you 6 super solo ads to my membership across 25 sites that I've got in the Make Money Online niche. This is my Elite Tigers group of sites. Now, as I said, there are 16,000 members across these 25 sites, all of whom are interested in Make Money Online offers. And I'm going to let you send a solo ad to all 16,000 of them, not just once, but 6 times. So this is a bonus that's actually worth way, way more than the cost of picking up a copy of Unfair Advantage. Next, I'm going to show you 6 ways to make money on TikTok. It's the hottest social media platform this year. Even the president of the USA has been talking about it, and this will show you how to monetize it in 6 different ways. Next, I'm going to show you how you can make bonus pages, exactly like this one that I've created here. But whereas I actually use a paid platform to create my bonus pages, I'm going to show you a way that you can actually make them completely free of charge if you're on a budget. Next, I've included this bonus. I haven't given it away for a while, but I think it's like really important because obviously during the pandemic, people are really starting to target people online, especially marketers like us. So, you know, I've had a couple of hacks. I know of a couple of big marketers that have taken a real hit recently. I'm not going to tell you who they are, but they've told me like in confidence. This cybersecurity masterclass, like over an hour long, and it'll tell you everything that you need to be doing for online security. It's well worth actually spending the time right now because it's very important to do this stuff. Next, I'm going to give you another upsell that comes with one of my products. That's a product called Eagle Emails, which is actually my flagship email marketing course. Now, this isn't the actual course itself, but what this is the first upsell, which is a set of email swipes covering a whole year. So it's called Eagle Emails 365 for a reason. So you'll get an email that you can put into your autoresponder that you can send out for a full year. Next, I'm going to give you this tutorial El Bandito from Brendan Mace. Again, I don't offer this very often. It's like essentially a set of done-for-you campaigns. I'm also going to give you beta access. I say beta access, the product's already been and gone now, but to Expansion, which is a software that I launched with Al Cheeseman, and of course you'll get all the vendor bonuses that Tom is giving away and Vic to everybody. So I hope you can see there, folks, a set of very congruent bonuses. All right, so let's have a quick look at the sales page. I'm not going to show you too much on here. This one's actually quite interesting. You'll see Yana, I think, on the sales page. Sorry, this is the sales page. You'll see Yana in the case study. So this is Vic Carty's daughter, who's only 12 years old. Now, admittedly, most most kids are much better at techie stuff than we old uns are. But she was showed how to do this within 3 days. She was making $50 a day just by following her dad's videos. Yeah. So when you say a child can do this method, they certainly can, and it's proved by the case study that comes with this. Usual testimonials and stuff that you would expect to find in here, folks. Again, read through all of this. I'm not really going to spend a huge amount of time on it. Bonuses that come with this. So profit booster niches. Inside, you'll discover the highest profit niches for use within this system. Secondly, affiliate profit X. Thirdly, how to make $997 commissions on demand. Fourthly, video views and shares booster. And bonus 5, video embed and likes and comment booster. So a good set of bonuses there. And as I said, the price is $17 and there's a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. $17. All right, so let's go and have a look inside the members area. So this is what you will already have seen if you actually watched it on the bonus page. So this is the overview from Tom. By the way, you should also actually watch the sales video on the main page. It's actually a pretty, at the top of there, it's actually a really good sales video that explains the method a bit more. So then once we get here, then you move on to the training with Vic, and obviously firstly it's about setting up an Amazon associate account. I actually set a new one up just as a matter of interest on one of my, I've got various Amazon accounts, but just to sort of check how easy it still is to do it, 'cause it's a while since I've done one, and like I was able to set this up in like 2 minutes. Let me just show you that I've actually done this, so you can see I actually called this one Elite Tigers 0521. So there, look, congratulations, Dawud Islam. So I set this up on amazon.co.uk. You can set it up on other geographical locations depending on where you are in the world as well. It's actually really easy to do. So, you know, I just did that just in case it had got more complicated since the last time I did it, and basically it hasn't. It's dead easy. And then you just work your way through all the training. You access the software here, you've got your templates, you've got your bonuses here as well. Everything is in here, and as I said, they're all over the shoulder, easy to follow videos, so it's dead easy to follow and to copy. None of the videos are overly long, so you're not going to be, I would say they're all about right, you know, which is between like 5 and 10 minutes long, which I think is probably the optimum time for a training video. And then you obviously move on to here and you access your software, click on the getting started video to do that. So everything you need is contained there in that area. So let's have a look then at the upsell. So front end, you're going to get everything you need, and as I said, you can get that drop down button. Upsell number 1 is Unhinged, which is $37. You'll get 20 software searches a day with the front end. If you pick up this online, OTO1, you get unlimited searches, which you will need if you're going to make like loads and loads of money with this. You'll also get a high ticket hack, which shows you how to make sure that someone who clicks on your link for a high ticket product stays cookied for 90 days. So with this front end method, they'll be cookied for 24 hours, anything they buy on Amazon, which is still pretty great, let's be honest. But with this high ticket hack, you can also be taught another method whereby people will be cookied in for high ticket products on Amazon for 90 days, which again is like mad. Upsell number 2 is Copy Us, $37. This gets you the full case study from Vic's daughter, who I showed you just now on the sales page, showing you over the shoulder how she went from $0 to $50 a day in less than a week. I would say that's well worth picking up, actually. Upsell number 3, done for you, $97. Tom and Vic already know which niches work and what types of posts work to make the most money from this method. With this upgrade, they're going to give away all their secrets, including their best-selling templates and their list of all the hottest niches to hit. So again, you may well, if you like done for you, you may well like that. Take a lot of the guesswork out of it. Upsell number 4 is the professional edition for $37. The one thing Unfair Advantage doesn't give you is your own good judgment. After creating a handful of Unfair Advantage hubs, you have to be very creative to not make them all look the same, as that drags conversions down. Takers of OTO4 won't have to worry about that, as they'll get access to Tom's video library, which includes 4,000 videos, video backgrounds, graphics, background music and lots more. Upsell number 5, a guaranteed career. This is $197. This upgrade is for those who want a guaranteed way to make an actual career out of Unfair Advantage. The only way to do that is to work directly with the master of this method, Vic Carty, who will coach you personally over the course of 6 weeks in a live weekly webinar series where each person gets all the personalized attention they need. So that is like really cool. And there don't seem to be a reseller rights upgrade with this particular method, which is unusual, but that is it. That's your 6 upsells. So they're all worth taking. I would take as many of those as you can afford, because I would say they're all excellent actually. And that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all of these extra bonuses, including the really high value ones from me, like these 6 solo ads, all you have to do is click on the green button. That will take you to the sales page. Click on add to cart when it opens at 11 AM on the 18th of October, and then that will bring you into the members area at Unfair Advantage, where you click on the green button to access to access the product, and then click on the blue button there to access my custom bonuses. So that's pretty much it, folks. I really like this. Going to give it 5 stars out of 5. I think it's a really strong purchase, and as I said, providing you do it properly, you really cannot fail with this method. And there are virtually no methods online which you can say that about right now, but this one really is a guaranteed success if you follow the system. So with that said, all that remains for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath, and also the bell icon, so that you'll be informed every time I bring out a new recording. And until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Unfair Advantage.